This will be a very interactive workshop.
I'm really excited about the idea that there are people from these diverse occupational communities.
Do we have anyone from health?
Who are all from the geographic region, who are going to be able to talk to each other about best practice in their particular occupation, and also the idea that police have a different need and outcome than school teachers.
Some people work with reentry, and do any of you work with the children of people in addiction?
I actually compare the opioid crisis to the Six Blind Men and the Elephant poem that everybody knows. Each man has a piece of the elephant in his hand, and he says, oh, the elephant's a fan, no, the elephant's like a snake, no, the elephant's like a tree. We're all holding a piece of it. The police, the foster care system, the churches, the schools. Each of us has a hold of this elephant.
The dangers you're dealing with are different, depending on whether you're near the tusk or the tail.
But we've only got one piece. We're going to have to build the whole elephant between us into our own awareness and communicate. No more silos, no more territorialism. We've got to work together, or we're going to go down separately. Fall or Fly is a book about adoption and foster care in Appalachia. It actually comes after another book that I edited called Public Health in Appalachia. Public Health in Appalachia has a section on the opioid crisis that sort of precedes what happens in Fall or Fly. They're not sequels or related. It's just that how we got here has so much to do with the opioid crisis. Fall or Fly, though, focuses on the kids and the social workers. It tells their stories in their voices whenever possible. And it's kind of a behind-the-scenes look at what's going on in foster care and adoption. It's important to remember that we're very smart people. Appalachians are clever, creative, smart, intelligent, resilient people. We've overcome a lot of things in our lives, and we will get through this as well. We don't need to believe the story other people tell about us. We can tell our own story about us. These problems are going to be solved community by community, group by group. So I think that's my first hope, is that they'll realize how powerful they are within themselves and together. My second hope is that the individual children in these communities will recognize how important they are, that they will stay in these communities as assets, that they will recognize what they have to contribute and see their own identities. I was a foster kid, I was the child of an addicted person, not as something to overcome, but something to use to their benefit and their community's benefit.